Want to find the ideal products for your projects without spending hours on research and comparison analysis? Just ask Ace. This intelligent copilot uses AI to make project-based recommendations since it analyzes project requirements to suggest the most appropriate products, considering factors like quality, compatibility, and budget. Your research experience is personalized as Ace learns your preferences over time and delivers increasingly tailored product suggestions. When conducting knowledge research, ask Ace and it will provide general building material and product information, design and construction best practices, energy codes, and more. Ace's cross-category expertise ensures recommendations span diverse product categories, from windows to interior finishes. Better yet, ask Ace to compare products and it will evaluate multiple options based on price, features, and performance. There are 2 ways to access Ace and start your research. Click on the Ace icon at the top bar, or use the Ask Ace Anything button when using the search bar. A chat window will open to the left of the workspace. You may expand this window to make it full screen by clicking on the expand icon. In the chat, type your question and hit the arrow to submit it. Ace's answer will appear in the chat. It may ask you for additional information or criteria. As you interact with Ace, recommendations will appear on the right. Note that the results are updated as you continue to interact with Ace to refine your search. For example, when you select the level of impact resistance, the results update to show insulated impact resistant window that are hurricane rated. Use the filters displayed at the top of the search results to narrow it down. As you continue to interact with Ace, the results will take into account the filters you selected. For example, selecting a specific manufacturer means that the results will only show windows from the chosen manufacturer. As you continue to interact with Ace, the results will be updated taking into account the filters you selected. When you are ready, save your favorite products to a project right here and it will be added to the project schedule. To close the chat, use the X button. Now, if you want to ask for recommendations for another kind of product, be sure to start a new conversation with Ace. Since the ongoing conversation is used to refine the results, you must start a new conversation every time you need to conduct a different search. And that's it. No more hours and hours of research. Just ask Ace and get personalized recommendations to find the best products for your project.